Hey there guys, my name is Marcus Tonelius, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how we can easily buy Bitcoin in Madagascar. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get on this website called Coinbase, and if you're going to register through the link, you will get $10 for free of Bitcoin. Now, in the Coinbase app, when you're going to be here, you can simply view asset of Bitcoin, and you can simply buy 100 euro of Bitcoin. You can pay with your bank wallet, preview the buy, and voila, this is the amount that you're gonna get. Also, you can sell it if you want to, and then when you're gonna be in portfolio, you can simply withdraw the money that you're gonna have on your account. Pretty simple, pretty easy, and this is how you can simply buy Bitcoin. Definitely to register through the link down below in the description so you get $10 for free, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.